I've got a really good for you this time. I've got a really excellent one. So the topic is, and it's an excellent topic, and I think the timing is perfect, but the video is for an upcoming featured article titled, "Oh, My Aching Back." Before I introduce this gentleman to you and a really amazing individual that's sitting across or on the video with me, let me just tell you a little bit about him. First of all, he's a Georgia native, local to the area of Holly Springs and also Woodstock. In 2012, he completed his Bachelor of Science in Exercise and Health Science at Kennesaw State University. He went on to attend Life University, where he completed the Doctor of Chiropractic program in 2016. While at Life University, he focused on structural techniques and he spent countless hours learning the intricacies of extremity adjusting, sports injury management and prevention, pediatrics, and other various adjusting techniques. He was very active in the Thompson Club, the president of Life University Ice Hockey Club, and a 4-year intern at the Ridgewalk office. He has an extensive background in sports and exercise. He has been a certified personal trainer since 2008, holding certifications with a variety of organizations such as International Sports Science Association, American Council on Exercise, and American Council on Sports Medicine. He's very active in the local CrossFit and hockey communities. He has played hockey his entire life, playing goaltender, no less, goaltender for both Kennesaw State and Life University after a 4-year junior hockey career with the Atlanta Knights. Again, very interesting. He's currently a U.S. hockey referee and officiates youth, high school, junior, and college hockey games in Georgia. An amazing individual, Dr. Oliver Evans, aka Ollie Evans. And let me just say, if you Google Ollie, Ollie, Dr. Ollie, he will come up. It's my pleasure. Thank you for being part of this video. You're an amazing individual. How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing good. Thank you for having me.
Good, good, good. So let's just dive into this, because it never fails. Every year, this time of the year, I've got these New Year's resolutions, which include improving my health, going to the gym more frequently. I come out of the gates hard and heavy. I'm coming out and I'm at the gym, 4 or 5 times a week. Several weeks into it, year after year, I'll end up in the same result that I pull something, my back is hurting. I know I need an adjustment. Very common, Doc.
Very common. See it all the time.
Okay. So, and I think this is very interesting too. More than 80% of us will experience at least once in our lifetime back injuries or back pains. Now, along with that, it's the second most common disability in the United States. So I say on the front end, make a decision, include chiropractic. Let's just dive into this. What's the most common symptoms you hear from your patients?
A lot of it's just going to be pain in the low back, maybe some radiation going into their glutes, or pain between their shoulder blades, and even possibly tension headaches. So those tension headaches right at the top of the skull, like the base of your skull there. So that's the most common things we see.
Okay. And what's the most frequent cause of back pain?
Honestly, it's going to be muscle imbalances and lack of stretching is what I see the most.
Okay. Sounds like me. All right. And what are some prevention, management, and treatment options for back pain?
Oh, there's so many of them, but the number one overlooked thing is going to be drinking lots of water. Hydrated muscles can move easier. Stretching those muscles is going to be the second biggest thing. And then, of course, third will be the chiropractic portion of it is making sure the joints are properly aligned and moving how they should.
Okay, excellent. And what role does nutrition play in managing lower back pain?
Nutrition is going to play a big part of it, making sure you're getting adequate protein intake, not too many on the carbohydrates. But it's more the hydration part of it, where we see so many people are easy to down coffee, they're easy to down energy drinks, they're working out again, they're drinking pre-workouts, but they're neglecting water. Your body needs water, your body needs salts, and it just needs to stay hydrated.
Okay. And I just add to that and say nutrition is important because certain foods add inflammation to your body, correct?
Correct. So I'm not a nutrition specialist by any means, but there are definitely foods that will cause some people more than others to be inflamed. And with the extra working out, you're putting your body on stresses for the start of the year. That just compounds it and makes it more stresses on the body, which leads to injury.
Excellent. And what form of chiropractic treatment does your practice offer?
So we have actually 5 locations currently, and we all do diversified adjusting, which is just a mixture between activator, arthrostim. We do some drop table, we do manual styles, so the regular cracking things. We do a little bit of everything depending on what you need. We specialize in more in the sports side of it in the Holly Springs office where I'm at, and as well as our New Jasper location. Our Canton location does a lot of pediatrics, but we all do that manual adjusting in diversified styles.
Okay. And as we're at the end of the interview, Doc, I'll always open the mic up and say, you know, um, give me a closing statement. Um, for those experiencing neck and back pain, it's an opportunity for you to plug your practice, Doc. What would be your closing statement?
My closing statement, everyone, just to make sure they remember, if you listen to your body's whispers, you won't hear them scream. So when you start feeling that catch in the low back or that ache in the shoulder blades, come in and see us then. It's a whole lot easier to fix a whisper than it is to have to fix a scream.
I like that. Okay, so again, folks, this is Dr. Oliver Evans, aka Dr. Ollie Evans, with Georgia Chiropractic and Massage. The website address for them is mygeorgiachiro.com. Again, it's my Georgia is spelled out, Chiro, Chiro.com. Dr. Evans, you're an amazing individual. Thank you so much for your time. It's been a pleasure interviewing you, sir.
Thank you for having me.
Awesome.